Welcome to the Microsoft Excel training. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the MINIFS function. The MINIFS function is a statistical function, and it is used to return the minimum or the smallest value in a range that meets one or more specified conditions. It is useful for finding the lowest value based on specific criteria such as the smallest sales in a region or the maximum score of students who passed an exam. Now the syntax is simply equal sign MINIFS, and then of course you have the mean range, the criteria range, and the criteria 1, and then of course if you have multiple criteria you provide them. The key features here is find the minimum value based on multiple conditions, support numbers, text, or logical operators, and logical operators. It works well with conditional analysis in sales, finance, and statistics. Then it's useful for finding the minimum without, for finding the minimum without condition, you should use the mean function. So just mean. That is, if you don't have a condition attached, you should use the mean. So MINIFS is a powerful function for conditional minimum value analysis in Excel. Let's go into the Excel worksheet and see an example. So here we have data from countries, and we want to find the lowest sales by country. So we are going to put equals MINIFS, and we will provide the mean range, which is the value. Okay, the value we want to calculate, or the amount we want to calculate the range by. The criteria range is country, because that is where we have the range for country. And then the criteria we are providing will be United States first. So we will now copy down our formula relatively to get all others. So these are the lowest sales from each of the countries. So that from the data here, you can easily know what is the lowest sales. So you can also use multiple criteria, especially when you're doing the lowest sales by a specific product. You can do multiple criteria for it. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stop on MINIFS in Excel. See you in another session. Bye for now.